fellow overthinkers. Constant worry and overthinking, common as they are, can harm well-being and up the risk of mental health issues, according to 2021 research. If your thoughts feel like hamsters on a wheel, tired of the mental circus? Today's your day. Buckle up for your ticket to mental freedom and let's conquer overthinking together to regain control of your thoughts. Step 1. Recognize the enemy. Cultivate self-awareness to break free from the cycle of overthinking and its potential negative impact on mental health. Recognize the enemy within and reclaim control over your thoughts by acknowledging and understanding them. So friends, fear not. Armed with superpowers, we'll break free from overthinking, squashing it like a mosquito using foolproof tactics that truly work. Step 2. Embrace enjoyable distractions. Combat overthinking by immersing yourself in enjoyable activities, such as learning new skills or volunteering, and gradually integrate distractions with short, dedicated 30-minute time slot. Step 3. Calming racing thoughts with breathing and meditation. Combat racing thoughts by practicing a 5-minute deep breathing exercise. Additionally, develop a regular meditation practice for inward focus and shift perspective by helping others. Step 4. Mastering positivity. Manage automatic negative thoughts, ants, by tracking, evaluating, and changing them. Ground yourself with gratitude, unplugging, mindful eating, outdoor walks, and exploring alternate perspectives. Step 5. Transformative steps for mental well-being. Break the cycle of repetitive thoughts by taking proactive steps. Redirect envy into goal setting and embrace self-compassion to overcome past mistakes, while gradually confronting worries for improved mental well-being. So conclusively, we can say that anybody can conquer overthinking through mental alchemy, like shift fears into opportunities, doubts into curiosity, embrace mindfulness, break tasks into steps, and combat it with enjoyable activities in short, dedicated time slots. And now we reach the final step. Seeking a qualified therapist offers support and tools for transforming your mindset. So embark on the journey to break free from overthinking, celebrating small victories along the way. Subscribe for more mindfulness tips, like, share, and thank you for joining this progress-oriented adventure towards mental freedom.